Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. This video to show you my Gypsy doll. And I ordered this doll in the Gypsy style, Bohemian style. I make a dress and hang all this embellishment for her. Let me take it out, and you can see I make her shoes. Use a bit of trim. Let me do that at the sit first so I can show you. Okay, and I use this beautiful fabric to make a, how to call this, wrap her hair like so, and use the fiber to tie the braid with different color. And also I use this bitted thread to make a necklace, and the yarn lace, crochet lace. And let's see, with the dangle bit here, and match with my the Bohemian suitcase set. And actually I make this doll for a friend, and you can see the bits here. And one thing is the doll, the skin color is too fair. But anyway, I think it's pretty too. This is a Chinese Bohemian, okay. And so let her stand so we can see her dress. Oh, something dropped, and I have to go back. This is the back. Turn around, so, and look at her pretty eye. So and hope my friend will like this doll. If not, can send it back to me so I can display here. I just love her, so pretty. Maybe we will make one for myself and put here. Okay, and just wanted to show you all. And the dress here, and layer with different color fabric. So you can see, the patch work like so, the dangle. Okay, let her stand here so we can see the bright color. Okay, and this is the set, and hope you all like it too. And thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.